Hi boys and girls, this is your math instruction for those students who are learning online. For Tuesday, January 12th, we're going to be talking today and reviewing some things from our past 2 units. So our target today is I can use a bar model to solve problems. I wanted to remind you a little bit about our math mountain that we've talked about. We always have the total up here and we have our 2 parts down here, but I can tip this way. Would it still work if I had a total here with 2 parts? Yes, I can actually do it this way too, where I have a total and 2 parts. Okay, and I can actually tip it this way as well. This is always the total and 2 parts. So if I'm thinking about it this way, I have my total and my 2 parts here. I can do it this way with my total and 2 parts that I'm always going to add these. I can do it this way where I have a total and 2 parts, or even like this, right? And I can do it this way as well. So I have a bar model up here. This is our bar model, and I want you to think about this as the upside down math mountain, okay, where we have a total and 2 parts here. And so we're going to be using that. Just think about it that way. That will work out really well. So what you need to do, I walked away with my stuff. What you're going to need to do today is you're going to look at this paper, and this is going to be a review and a test. I want you to do the best you can on it. Andy reports the weather for 14 days. 6 of the days are rainy and the rest are sunny. And we have put an equation for you. Blank circle blank equals blank here. Okay, I have this up here as well. Let's write down our problem, and you can do this on your paper as well. Let's see. Andy reports the weather for 14 days, so the total number is 14. Okay, I'm going to put a box around it to help us remind us this is our total. Okay, we know that 6 of the days are sunny, and the rest, we don't know, of them are rainy. Okay, so I filled out a bar model here for you. You can fill it out the same way. How would I work this problem? I could do an addition problem here. I could do a subtraction problem here. If I did an addition problem, what would that look like? I know I'm always going to add my 2 parts together, right? So I might do 6 plus something, question mark, equals 14. This is what I'm looking for on this right here. You can also do 14 subtract 6 equals, however you want to do that, and write your answer here. On this one, you're going to do your own. You could draw a math mountain or whatever you want. Sonia sees 6 orange fish and 5 blue fish in a fish tank. How many fish are in the fish tank? I have 2 parts, okay? The orange fish and the blue fish. Would you do a math mountain or a bar model, however you want to do it? Write the equation here. I would do an addition, 6 orange fish and 5 blue fish. Write it out, but make sure you draw math mountain or use some way of showing that, okay? On the back, Kevin has 15 marbles. Some are green and some are blue. How many marbles could he have? You get to pick out the 2 add-ins, okay? 15 total, you have 2 add-ins. Think about the 2 that could go there. There are lots of possibilities. You decide and write down how many green and blue ones you have, okay? Here are some more bar models down there. They have shown them as bigger. 10 and 3 is 13. This is the same as this right here, or our upside down math mountain, okay? Our total and 2 parts, okay? Total and 2 parts up here, okay? That is exactly what we're looking at. And so Sophie sees 10 kittens. 3 kittens are black and the rest are orange. So there are 10 kittens total. Which one of these show 10 kittens on the total amount with 2 parts that equal? And will you bubble in which one of these is modeling this? 10 total kittens. Remember, this is an upside down math mountain. Here is the total, and these are the parts. Look for that there, please, okay? On this, here are your last 3. You're going to write 3 equations, okay? Reading the parts here, there are 5 children on swings, then 8 more children get on the swings. What equation would you do that? Am I bringing it together or am I getting rid of it? There are 5 children on the swings and 8 more children get on the swings. How many children are on the swings? You can model any way you want. David has 15 muffins. He gives 6 of the muffins to Ada. How many muffins does he have now? 15. Subtract however many he gave to Ada and find out the answer. 9 people wait in a line. Some more people get in the line. Now we have 16 people in the line. How many people are in the line? 9 people were there to begin with. That would be a part. Some more come. That's the other part. And now we have 16. That's our total. Okay, that sounds a little bit tricky. I think you're going to be okay, though. Take some time to think about that and work on that. That would be super, super great. Okay, let me look at what I have for you. Do the best you can on that. See if you can get 100% on those. Math is something that we don't speed up on. We have to slow down and think about it in order to use our brain. So do that. Slow down and think about that. For social studies, I do want you to go down and click on the new video. We had a video yesterday about things long ago, life long ago. This is another video about life long ago. Okay, would you watch that and see how things are the same and different from long ago? All right. I appreciate you. I hope you have a really great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.